All right, we're trying out the Makita drywall tool. I put an adapter on it for a DeWalt battery. I bought this little adapter for only 15 bucks on Amazon. That way I don't need to spend an extra 200 and buy different Makita batteries and adapters and charging. So this is a good tool because it only goes in 1/2 inch, and I preset the jigsaw blade to only go in 1/2 inch. That way we're gonna eliminate the possibility of cutting into any plumbing or electrical wires behind this drywall. So for demo, it's a must. Let's try it out. I like it. Nice clean lines. Gives you a good reference point right here. It doesn't cut all the way to the end. You can just finish that off with a sharp razor blade each side and you're good to go. You avoid cutting wires and other utilities. So good for KY water damage.